So on today's video, we're going to be showing you how we change this Turbo 400 front seal. We take a one-way and just usually pop it out. You can take a seal puller if you got one on hand. I highly recommend it. It does not risk damaging your seal or where your seal sets if you do. But usually we're one-way working around it, and a hammer sometimes to tap on the one-way and make that pop right out. And if all else fails, you can start tapping it at an angle here on the lip of the seal and just beat it in, and that will pretty well bend the seal and make it come out easier. So the seal pops right out. Now this is not the proper way to do it, but it works. If you ain't got the tools on hand, just take your time, try not to nick anything. If you do nick something inside here, you can put a little bit of silicone on your new seal before you tap it in, and it will keep it from leaking. But everything looks good here. Now, if you can, go to the local parts store, pick you up a seal tool, and basically you just stick it in there and it pops it right out. So much more simpler, but if you want to do it without the proper tools, this is how we did ours. So take you something, wipe it out good. Put you some, we ain't putting no silicone around this, but if you did, you want to put a light skim on it. Now, the next step is take you a seal driver or something, put over this and tap this in. But if you ain't got it, you can reuse your old seal like we're doing, and you want to tap it in even. And use a rubber hammer if you can. So this is the new seal in the TH Turbo 400. It's pretty simple to do, as I said before. If you can and you got it on hand, a seal puller makes it a whole lot easier on you. We didn't use silicone on this, but you can smell just a little bit over your old seal before you drive it in. I mean, a tiny bit of silicone. I usually do it. I got another video, I think, on the subject on the TH350. I might actually use silicone on. I'll link it in the description if that's something you want to check out how I did. You know, you might enjoy, you might end up doing yourself. I'll link it in the description below. So thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you're working on. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.